Today we're going to take a look at how to write a conclusion for your investigation. And what we're going to do is we're going to kind of model it based on an investigation that a couple of my students did a couple of years ago. This is actual data from an investigation that those students did. Their research question was, how does the number of people who touch a doorknob affect the amount of bacteria on the doorknob? And they collected from two spots. The cabinet door was the spot that they thought was a place that very few people touched, and then the front entrance door handle was a place that a lot of people touched. Their hypothesis was if we collect bacteria from a spot that a lot of people touch, then there will be more bacteria. All right, and what they found was kind of the opposite. They found that the cabinet door handle had 31 squares covered, and the front entrance door handle had 21 squares covered with bacteria. So now what we're going to do is we're going to write some conclusions, and I'm going to kind of model this for you using this organizer. And I want you to use this organizer the first time you write your conclusions, just so you can kind of get an idea of what we expect this year in science. All right, so let's write a claim. And all that a claim does is basically it answers your question. All right, so in this investigation, our claim should be door handles that are touched less have more bacteria. So look at the writing got a little weird there. All right, door handles that are touched less have more bacteria. So basically just answers our question. And now we have to back that up with some evidence. Back up our claim with evidence, and you'll notice that it says here that you need to use numbers. So we're going to say the cabinet door handle had 31 squares covered. And we're going to say that the front entrance door handle had 21 squares covered. Okay? Now, we have to go back and we have to reflect on our hypothesis. We have to decide if these results either support or do not support your hypothesis. Remember that results can never prove a hypothesis. We can never say our hypothesis was right or wrong or correct or incorrect. Our results either support or do not support. And in this case, our results do not support our hypothesis. So we're going to circle do not support. Okay, and now we have to list one possible error. What's something that may have affected the results of our investigation that we did not plan for? And I think if I remember back, this group picked, we could say that they picked a cabinet that was used more than they thought. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to fill out this organizer for your investigation, and then I want you to add this content to your investigation. Thank you.